Now imagine being in a life or death situation in need of critical health care and unable to get it. That's an all too typical scenario for many residents in deep rural St. Andrew. And that's why they're calling for the government to bring what used to be the Alexandria Hospital to its former glory. TVJ's Shamela Mitchell brings us the first in a two-part primetime news special report.
The journey from Alexandria to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital in St. Anne takes about 1 hour and 32 minutes. And that distance is affecting residents living in and around over the 80-odd communities near Alexandria St. Anne. The residents say what used to be a hospital has been scaled down and is now a community health center. And it's having a significant effect on their lives.
Too much people are dead in Alexandria without seeing a doctor.
Residents point to an incident on May 29 this year as one example. Meet Gregory Johnson. According to Mr. Johnson, he was at church one Sunday with his dad, Cleveland Johnson, who suddenly became ill. The older man was taken to the Alexandria Community Health Center, just about 5 minutes away from the church. According to Mr. Johnson Jr., when they got to the health facility, they met a nurse.
She looked on him, we explained what was happening, what happened. But she said there was nothing she could do. And no doctor isn't there.
Why was there no doctor? There's not one permanently assigned. According to our checks, a doctor comes to the facility about twice per week.
So we waited a while before the police came and then started to question us about the whole situation. And then the nurse came and did some more check to confirm in her own way that there was nothing else that could be done. And then they cover him.
Family members feel they were victim to what they describe as a failed health system.
We couldn't do much more than to take him to the place where we know he could get the help, but no help.
The Johnsons are not alone. Other families have been sharing similar experiences.
My nephew dropped down dead on a chicken farm when me work. And when he went up there, whether he went dead or not, there wasn't a doctor to look at him.
And the stories continue.
Yeah, one guy from Scarborough just a few weeks ago also, and he took sick and by the time he reached up there and died. So you don't know if the doctor was there, he would, and we don't have that.
Jasper Ingram says the distance to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital is one problem, but cost is another.
If you get a car, you're going to cost about 15, 16,000 to go down there. And most likely you must have it. At the same time, the person takes sick. Which not you could just take a taxi or a friend and just go up by the hospital.
It's money he says most people could not afford. The situation has given very little hope to the people in need of critical healthcare services.
Can you imagine you live in a community and people drop down and then go up there and no doctor?
Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.